Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. Yeah, MATIC broke below the 94-cent level. That was the relevant support we discussed in the previous videos. We talked about a possible triangle count here and that we would be in favor of a breakout to the downside based on this triangle count. Typically with these triangles, you expect them to break out to the opposite side of the E wave, obviously, and that is so far working out. It broke below the B wave low, that was the 94-cent level, and you had a nicely defined Elliott wave triangle here, and so far it's moving down, right? And that break took out the previous low of the 10th of March as well, and that basically favors that this B wave is in place. By breaking the triangle to the downside, the B wave ended. We are therefore now in a C wave to the downside, and there are two possibilities. Yeah, talked about that in a previous video. So obviously at the moment, the main count would suggest that we are here in a C wave down in blue of wave 2. This would end a wave 2 correction. The C wave is a 5-wave move. Therefore, you can see here highlighted in white 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Within the third wave, I'm currently looking at a WXY structure. And in this Y wave, we have an ABC, and it looks like as if we are now in the C wave down. And let's take a look at what price level we could be targeting roughly. So if I take the length of the A wave, if I go to the high of the B wave just to measure the targets, then yeah, typical target would be sort of between this range, 87.4 cents and 78. These are certainly two levels to watch: the 61.8 extension and the 100% extension. Somewhere in that region, I would expect it to find some support, maybe rather in the lower end, because here we had a lot of previous support. Yeah. Now, after this move down, this could technically be finished. Yeah. The reason is I'm currently counting this as an A, B, C in blue with an overshooting B wave, but it could of course be a W, X, Y as well. That would be more in line with what Bitcoin is doing, where we wouldn't get this 4th and the 5th down. Okay, so I would be watching, to be honest, for a possible bounce and possible support. I would be watching this area down here. Yeah, I highlighted to you the price range, but just below the Fibonacci zone for the end of this C wave. And by the way, what I showed you here in terms of Fibonacci extensions, that was really only relating to wave A and wave C. Yeah, because the C wave can go all the way down to the 1.618 extension. So, but this is the more imminent one, 87 to 78 cents. Just below that, we have structural support here between 76 and 68. And then the 63-cent level is the 1.618 extension. The Y wave shouldn't go longer. Yeah, or the C wave of Y shouldn't be any longer. But yeah, I think we are heading down, or we lost support. So we lost critical support because the 94-cent level was quite relevant support. There is not much left now. And I think we are heading into this region down here that I just highlighted. Yeah. If we break that Fibonacci support that I highlighted, we've got the structural support left. And I would, at the moment, envision price to go down, sort of at least close to that green zone. Looking at the sub-wave structure, we don't really have enough evidence what's going on here, or but it certainly, I mean, if this is the C wave, yeah, then I'm looking here at a 1-2 setup, another 1-2 setup, and that could set us up for quite a bit lower, because what eventually would play out is this here as a 1, this here as a 2, then this is another 1-2, which I'm not going to label now, with its own third wave, 4th and the 5th. That would only complete here the 3rd, then a 4th and a 5th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 3. That might be playing out now and then heading further to the downside. Yeah, that's my update at the moment about Polygon MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.